Now, to show off my expertise in old Minecraft, I've decided to do a challenge where the challenge is, can I add multiple blocks to the very first version of Minecraft? I'm going to open it. This is a... yeah, there we go. Vanilla version here, where you can... yeah, this is mine. This is it. I have a stopwatch here. We're going to see how fast we can go. This is about to get a bit juicy. 3, 2. I'm just gonna move this on my other monitor. 1. Timer starts now. Let's go straight to level and rename these things. Now we do blocks. We take our block and we need to make these public. Public. Okay, public block. Okay, in fucking dick ID and text. We're just gonna use this. 1, 2. Hold up. We need to public static block blocks equals new block. And then we move these out of here. Whoops. Blocks.block ID equals this. Okay, this dot block ID equals ID. And then this dot text equals text. Okay. Now we have that. Now we are locked and loaded. Wait, it's private. We need this to be public. Okay. Now we need to race to chunk. Clean up. Now we need to actually go into level and write our get tile shit, which we can do by copying this, do this, get, we're gonna return an int, return this, we don't need any of this right here, and then return 0 so it shuts up. Okay, now we have get tile, which we need for int b equals this dot or this dot level dot get tile blocks dot b or blocks dot and then b, yeah. If blocks dot block ID equals blocks dot blocks dot rock dot block ID this, I gotta go to level renderer kaboom, and then this, kaboom, or whoops, I did rocks. Okay, now we need to do level, and you see this fucking thing right here. Basically, if the block ID equals 1, then it's a tile. But if it isn't, then it just goes to false. What we need to do is we need to set this to 0, and then do that, and then we're gonna set. We're gonna do. What? We are the level. Set tile x 1. Oh yeah. And then we set this to 1. 2. Set this to like 10. Let's do 10. It's easy. So this should have 2 platforms here. ID, and from what I know, this should work. I hope. The world. Whoops. Let me try that again. The world's saved. That's the big problem. It's gonna take a bit for it to generate our thing. Now we can place this because what we in our main class setting the tile to 1. What we actually want to do is we want to do this dot selected block or something. Yeah. Create. Set this to 1. Wait, what? I'm just checking. Wait, if it's what? Wait. I'll figure it out when I do. Set this dot selected block equals 1. So this. I could be doing like, you know, the tile blocks dot you know, like rock dot block ID, but I'm too lazy. So now hold on, let me build up. So there you go. There is multiple blocks. Now it's time for the fun bit where we have to add another block. I'm gonna add wood. We're gonna add wood, which will be 3, or yeah, that, and then planks. Okay, I don't know what the fuck it's doing. I have to clean the project because it gets all fucky. Okay. We have that Oh yeah. We actually need to fix this because we should always render the block. It doesn't matter what block ID it is. Don't do that automatically. I'm hoping I did this correctly. If I didn't, then oh no, it works. Okay. You know what? I don't even know why I'm doubting myself. It would obviously work. Okay. Now we need to go over to Minecraft. Jars deobfuscated. First off, yeah, delete that because it causes issues. Okay, next, okay. Now we have our things. Let's go make some plank textures. I'm just gonna make a really shitty plank texture because I'm not a very good artist. I could reuse DZ2 textures, but I'm also lazy. Hold up. Can I just... Yeah, I can just do this. It's way easier. Friendly reminder that I'm not an artist, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, it's gonna look like garbage, but yeah, sure. Update. Okay. Now we have the third block. Wow, that was so fucking hard. I did that in... You want to see how... You want to... I did that in 12 minutes, by the way. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. So... You see, I... Here's the thing. Back when I was making a Minecraft mod, blood fertilizer, I think it was called. I didn't know how to do this at all. I didn't know what the fuck it was doing at all. And it was kind of a disaster. This is, though, because it was based off the very first version, like this version, this exact version, and yeah. Hold up, let's go. Whoops. Display dot set title to Ruby dung. And I just gotta wait for it to... There you go. There it is. That's your thing. Get to place planks. I gotta swap those keys. Those are annoying. Or those keys, just button presses. Mouse keys. Yeah, because that's a bit annoying. I don't know. That wasn't very hard. What? That wasn't hard at all. Now, to be honest, you have to know where you're going. And I do know where I'm going. There you go, though. That's how you make a fucking Minecraft mod for the very first version in 12 minutes. You want this is a tutorial, professional. I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing actually. I'm lying. You can add all your blocks. All you now have to do is make get entities. Which yeah. Actually, I'm gonna do this. I want to be teleported to the middle of the map. That is the simplest Minecraft mod you can make. It literally adds blocks. I did rename a bunch of shit because I can't do tile. I get confused. This is how you do it. So it still has texture atlas, and you still have to, fucking deal with everything else, but generally it works. Anyways, that's the end of the video. How do you like my wooden planks texture? It's pretty bad. Obviously there's a lot of shit you have to do to make this a bit more playable. Oh wow, that's... You want some, want that, like, dark green. Yeah. I want that, and then I'm gonna turn on the... how do you use this? I'm gonna do sharpen. Yeah, it was. It's bad. Let's see if I can... Or no. Would be... Let's see how that looks in game. Oh, I have it closed. Whatever. Whatever. There you go. Oh, fucking arm. This isn't a very good mod, but you 20 minutes of this is 20-minute recording. I can upload this entire thing unedited, and that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah. That's how you do it. You know what? I might do a bit of tutorials, because obviously these are the best Minecraft versions to mod, because you are, fucking having to fight with the disaster that is the Minecraft engine to do anything. I mean, I kind of thought this, but it's relatively easy. But yeah, that's it for this video. This fucking Minecraft an actual Minecraft modding video in a while that is not DZ2. Anyways, yeah, bye.